In this video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple camera angles using just one camera. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So first of all, you go to OBS Studio and under Scenes, click on Add. Now I'm just going to rename this as wide angle. Next, click on the plus icon here and head over to video capture device. So now on video capture device, I'm just going to name it as Cam 1. So I'm just going to select my camera here. So this is my camera over here. Next, click on OK. So now this is the wide angle. Next, I'm going to add in close-up shots. So just click on the plus icon again and rename it as close-up shots. Next, I'm going to add in the same camera I added in wide angle. So I'm just going to click on Add Existing. Next, click on OK. And now I'm just going to rescale this to fit into close-up shots. So you can rescale it according to what you want. And now as you can see, we have the wide angle and we have the close-up shot. Next, add in another scene. I'm just going to title it as Extreme. Next, add in that same camera again and zoom it. And now as you can see, I've successfully added 3 camera angles in OBS Studio. So next, I'm just going to click on the view icon and go to Multiview so I can be able to see the 3 camera angles. Now as you can see, this is the wide angle, this is the close-up shot, and this is the extreme close-up shot. So if you have just one camera and you are using it for your podcast show and you have 2 guests, you can zoom out your camera to capture the 2 guests. Then from OBS Studio, you can use OBS Studio to zoom in, capture 1 guest, using to also zoom in and capture the other guest. So you can use this if you're a beginner. If you don't have multiple cameras, you can use this to capture 3 different camera angles for your podcast show in OBS Studio. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you have any question, drop it down in the comment section below. My name is Ebenezer from OBS Studio. See you in my next video.